Lattafa Noble Blush is the latest addition to the 𝗕𝗧 lineup, and it has a powdery, soapy, and creamy opening with green zesty citrus and rose. It's like a fresh, zesty citrus and rose milkshake with a subtle toasted, husky woody vanilla base. The whole powdery rose, citrus, and husky woods combo sometimes comes off quite piercing, bordering on a dated, mature scent profile. The closest perfume this reminds me of is 𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗦𝗧 Roses d'Emotion. I haven't sprayed my decant of that perfume in a very, very long while, but from what I can recall, the main difference between these two perfumes is that milkshake accord. 𝗕𝗕𝗦𝗧 Roses d'Emotion doesn't have the milkshake accord. In my personal experience, Noble Blush is a linear scent, but it turns super creamy and powdery after 2 hours of wear, and it reminds me of another perfume which I'm struggling to recall. It reminds me of Lamsat Hariro Gold, but after checking out that one, it's not it. The far dry down for Noble Blush is super, super ultra feminine, soft, soapy, musky, and earthy rose and citrus, with the milkshake accord completely gone. Lattafa's Noble Blush lasts an easy 12 hours on my skin, and in my personal opinion, it is not a safe blind buy. It's one of those perfumes that 1 minute I like it and the next minute I'm like, nah, this is not it. Anyway, if you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.